FLACK app. I call it JOFLACK, and we'll run through the requirements. First requirement is I have two screens here. I have one open on Google Chrome and the other with Safari. So I've already signed in here under Jordan, and I'm gonna do another username. So when the person starts in, this is where they come to, the first page to log in. So I'll log in a new user, and it's the new user. Here you can either create a new channel or go to a current channel. Right now I'll go to a current channel, and I'm going to go to channel 1. And here I'm in channel 1 already, as signed in as Jordan. So with Monica, I'll say, hello, Jordan. And there you see, instant, without reloading, the message was sent. Next I will show, if I close out this page and I come back to it, you'll see that I'm still on the same channel and still the same user. Next, I'll show you how to create a channel. Add a channel. So first I'll show if I try to add channel 1, it will say that already exists, so I can't make it. So I'll make a channel 3. I have channel 3 now. Hi, channel 3. And if I just refresh this here, I can come here and say, hi, Monica. So that is channel creation. Obviously, channel list is here. I can go back to channel 1 just by clicking the tabs here. And there you see. Messages view. So I'll show you the test 100 here. Here I have basically 100 messages, starting with 4 because I've already tested this. So if I go 103, 104, and I sign back into channel testing 100, you'll see that it's at 6 now, and all the way to 104. So it only saves 100 messages server side. Sending messages, I've already shown that when a user sends a message, it displays their name and a timestamp. And I've already shown remembering a channel. When I signed out, you can see when I sign back in, Monica will still be on channel 1. She can go to channel 100 if she wants to. Personal touches. So I have a few personal touches that I added. One personal touch I added was that I could, a user can delete their own messages. So let's say this is Jordan message. This is Monica message. Now if Monica wants to delete her messages in this chat, all she has to do is click delete your messages. Then only Monica's messages will be deleted, and everyone will know that Monica deleted their messages in channel 2. And then you see Monica's messages were deleted. Some other personal touches I added were that you can delete a channel. So this was channel 3. We come back here, and I want to delete channel 3. I'll just push 3, delete channel, and everyone will know, be alerted that channel 3 was deleted. Come back here, and channel 3 is gone. As you can see here, I made this app capable of being designed for being mobile responsive. So if I want to add channel, another channel, boom, another channel was added, and here I am in the channel.